We are here at the Daily AI Experiment. We're at number 2. This is episode number 2. What do you think about that, Lori?
Oh my gosh. Well, first off, Dan, you set the bar so high yesterday with the GPT you built to help with the pitches. It put a lot of pressure on, but thankfully, OpenAI released new features yesterday that are so fun that I just can't wait.
Oh, this is great. So you're going to rise to the challenge.
Yeah, and I'm telling you, this is so new that I literally just tried it for the first time like 5 minutes ago. So I have no idea how it's all going to unfold, but the key is you have to see it from the vantage point of my phone.
Absolutely. I understand. I think we're ready to do that. But let me ask you a question. So, like, we're doing these things spontaneously, quickly. Yesterday, I built my GPT like 5 minutes before. You're just doing this now. Isn't that sort of what the GPTs and the LLMs, what they let you do? It's like, that's what this is about, right? Because the way you discover what you can do with ChatGPT is, what do? You just do it. And 100%. Either it can do it or it can't do it, right?
So I literally, before on this call, I was like, I've had this issue in my bathroom. I don't know what it is. And I leveraged ChatGPT, showed the picture of what was wrong and gross. And it's like, all right, here's what you need to do. I'm like, I love this. Wow. It was like having a handy person right there. So we'll see.
In your bathroom.
Yeah. Maybe not always wanted in the bathroom.
Yeah, maybe we won't discuss the
Sorry,
the
I went somewhere that shouldn't have gone. Oh boy.
No worries. So what do you have for us today, and what do we got to do to see it?
All right, I'm going to share my phone screen in just a minute.
Okay.
I've got to click a few things. And now, hopefully, you see my phone. Do you see my phone?
Everyone sees your phone.
Fantastic. Now, there's this little talk volume button in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to click that. I love advanced voice mode feature. And this week, because we're a couple days away from Christmas, OpenAI has been doing the 12 days of shipments. And yesterday, what they shipped to us was the ability to talk to. See if you recognize this voice. Hello? Anyone there?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Santa Claus is here. How can I help you today, my dear friend?
Well, Santa, I need help. And I'm going to show you something.
Of course.
I'm going to click this little video button in the bottom left-hand corner, and I'm going to turn your attention to this. Can you tell me what this is?
Ah, I see a lovely plant with long, spiky leaves. It looks like an aloe vera plant. Are you asking for some advice on how to take care of it?
Yes. How did you know? I've never had an aloe plant before, and someone gave me this.
Ho, ho, ho! Aloe vera plants are quite special with their thick, fleshy leaves. They don't need much water and love sunlight, just like reindeer love carrots. Ho, ho, ho!
So how would I know if I need to water this little puppy?
Oh, the trick is to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. You can check by feeling the soil. If it's dry a couple of inches down, it's time to water. Just a little holiday magic to keep it happy.
I love it, Santa. Thank you. I appreciate the gardening help. All right, I'm going to stop sharing. What do you think?
Well, I can see all your
I got to do it up here. Yeah, you can see my family.
No, I got it. We're good now. We're back.
And I'm an open book. Whatever. It is what it is.
That was amazing. I saw that in a demo, something like that. Like, what's this? And who's, anyway. But that's a really great application to be able to, troubleshoot problems that you can see. It's like, I couldn't describe what's wrong with my plant, but I can show it.
Can you think of any other use cases now that you've kind of seen?
But I do like your bathroom problem. Why do I have so much ring around my toilet? Is that what we're... I have the worst water, by the way. I could do that. why do I have, I get like a lot. So I have well water out in the woods here. Anyhow.
Yeah.
So, well, that'd be fascinating. What else could you use it for?
I'm just thinking of stuff that breaks. Like, for instance, I have a stool here and the little hook won't stay. So I might get suggestions on what's the best way to get that little bar to stay connected at the bottom of my chair. There's so much I don't know. Like, I had trouble. This is so embarrassing, but I never vacuumed
More
very
embarrassing
much.
than the bathroom.
And I couldn't figure out how to turn the vacuum on. And I remember having to call my friends and do a FaceTime video so they could show me how to do that. So now I'm like, now I could maybe, if I run into those embarrassing situations again, I'll have a helper and I won't have to let anybody else know that I couldn't figure it out.
Perfect. That's so amazing. Well, that was a great experiment for experiment number 2. And I'm sure people will be like, wow, I can think of all the things that I can do around the house, right? Maybe at work, gosh, there's so many things. Like, what does this thing do? What's this for? What
right.
Who is this? Maybe even pointing at a document. Is this document? Should I sign this? I don't know.
But literally the sky's the limit. And I just think as more people begin experimenting with this, we're going to learn from all the people as they try things as well.
Right. Now I'm thinking of all the things I've done with YouTube. Like, I learned how to do things. It's like, oh, how do I fix this? How do I put in windows? How do I, I've done amazing home things that I never thought I'd ever be able to do because I didn't want to read the book.
Thank you. The patience, right? And it's interesting you bring up the YouTube video because that's how my son told me he learned how to iron. So, but now it's interactive, right? As you go, you can kind of ask questions. The other thing I had issues with at one time was putting packing tape on, one of those tape dispensers, when you're taping up boxes.
Right.
And I think at that time I'd like upload pictures as I went or where it got stuck, but the ability maybe to have it live there walking me through every step as I go, I just think is phenomenal.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Well, see, how long have we been going here? I'm trying to find the time.
Did we put people to sleep yet?
No, we haven't even gone 10 minutes. That's amazing. But we're running out of time here. So Monday, I'm up again. And I'm thinking, I've got a few ideas and I'm going to have to really think of something great because you knocked it out of the park. Didn't expect that.
I didn't expect it either until 5 minutes ago.
I didn't expect to go all mobile, which is brilliant. Oh my gosh. Anyhow, thanks so much, Lori. That was a great thing. And I'm sure our watchers and listeners are really going to up their game because of that. Let's hope. Hey,
we'll
Lori.
See. I wonder if they have any ideas for us too. Like they should comment with.
In the comments. Oh yeah, we're supposed to say things like and comment and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, no, I think that would be fantastic. So if you have a great idea, you should put it in there. You can even share a video that you've done. So
absolutely. Join our party sometime.
That's right. You know what? And what we should do, we should do a live one. Wouldn't that be fun?
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, so many ideas, so little time.
2025 is going to be here before we know it. We're up step up.
That's true. And thanks for bringing Santa to the party. He's a jolly old soul,
Absolutely. Next time we'll be singing.
That's right. That's right. I think that's it. Any final thoughts?
Wishing everybody a wonderful weekend. If you happen to be watching this on a Friday, and if not, great day.
Oh, wonderful. Well, thanks, Laura. That was fantastic. Thanks, everybody, for watching, and we'll see you next week.
See you next week.
Bye-bye.